Nope. Ontario, Texas, Utah, Vermont.
Cool. That's better than the found one.
Yep.
Where are you from?
Granville.
Okay.
Yep, live right down the road.
Do you work at the marina?
I do.
How'd you do? You're the Bloody Mary guy.
Ah.
I've been arrowhead hunting.
Oh, good. You got any?
You want a beer?
No, I'm good, thanks.
Morse code. Cool.
Yep. Yeah, that's a nice one right there. Piece of a blade.
Yeah. Well, look,
So
it's a
that's
blade. It's
yeah.
a very
Yeah, probably a fish scaler.
paleo, yeah. That one's weird.
Yeah, look at that.
And I figured that one's some kind of smoothing.
Yeah, they used the
I
geo.
found a lot of these. I'm not sure. They're always triangular and to a point. I don't know if it's some kind of sharpening tool. This could have been
Could be, or-
a thing they put the shaft in. And I've got a big rock on there. And there's another scraper.
Cool. Got some crinoids in there.
Yeah, I love
Geos. That's
and
really
some
nice.
of these are like